Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed CodePen into your WordPress page or post using Xan Builder. So if you have Xan Builder installed and running, you can go to the page where you wish to embed that CodePen. Let's go to the page. Okay, so I have features page that I wish to edit with Xan Builder. Next thing, let's go to CodePen, find the pane that we wish to embed. So click on search pane in CodePen website and you will find a bunch of options. Okay, like say projects or pane, you can search for that. Let's say I wish to embed some form designs. Okay, so something like this looks good. So what we'll do is we will click on this and go to that particular pane. Here you can see it looks really good, and so we can embed it by clicking on embed button at the bottom. And here you see it gives you option to use HTML, WordPress, prefill embed, okay, or iframe. So iframe is usually the easiest, so I will choose that. You can customize the theme, go with light, right, so it will appear whitish or dark, which is kind of default. Then use click to load and make code editable. It's only possible if you are logged in user and own this pane, right? So let's go to the pages, and here we see features page. Now here I already have a section inside which I wish to add element, then choose content, then custom code. Now here we have to add custom code, so click on this pencil icon and edit element. Now here in custom HTML we can paste our iframe, and you immediately see that particular pane is now visible. Click apply and then save and publish post. Right, now let's go and view, and here you see our pane is visible. Only difference is that we have limited its view, so we have to adjust its properties both here as well as in our Xan Builder, where we have to adjust its width so that we can stretch it a bit and make sure to load it a bit with a higher width and height. Okay, so a little bit of editing over there and you will be able to show it the way you want. So you get the idea how to embed your CodePen into WordPress page or post using Xan Builder.